Let's go to the first news. We have already been able to know how it will be NothingOS 3.0 based on Android 15. This thanks to the Android Faithful site who have published several screenshots of what this next update that the manufacturer is preparing will look like. For starters, they have redesigned the notification center and control center, which is something that every manufacturer usually updates in each generation. Now the manufacturer is going to allow you to edit the control center, increasing the size of some elements and also allowing you to add shortcuts or tools from other applications to this section. The system settings page has also been redesigned to group some items that are similar, and we are also going to find a much clearer list compared to the list we saw last generation. There is also a new section called Tips and Feedback, where the manufacturer can give you suggestions for new features that you can take advantage of. And in the title bar of the settings, we are now going to find a different typography, abandoning the dot typography that characterizes Nothing. Although this new typography, Nothing was already using it in other areas of the system, but now they adopt it also in this part of the title, so I think they gain more readability. In fact, speaking of typographies, there is a new option to change the system font so you can have another customization. The lock screen customization has also gained new options. For starters, you can now preview what the left and right quick shortcuts are going to look like so you have a better perspective. And you can add new widgets to this section where you'll be able to take a quick look at any item, all this together with the preview. In addition, new clock options will also appear so you can customize this lock screen exactly to your liking. And there is a new widget selector that is redesigned to show you the preview in a much clearer way. But something of the most interesting is a change in the app drawer where in addition to having the traditional distribution now appears an intelligent distribution which by artificial intelligence will be able to categorize applications and integrate them into a kind of folder to have everything much better organized automatically. Although obviously you as a user can choose whether you want to use this intelligent distribution or prefer the traditional distribution. And now the applications that are running in floating window, you will also be able to minimize them more easily. Notice that clearer controls appear at the top of these windows. And of course, there are many other changes present, but these I mentioned are the most prominent. Let me know if you are already waiting for this next Nothing update because it looks like one of the biggest to date.